Good morning students. Welcome to e-learning class of science. Students, today we are going to start chapter number 6, acids, bases and salts. In this chapter we will learn about acids, bases and salts, classification of substances as acidic, basic and neutral with the help of indicators. Understand what is neutralization and what is its importance. Yes student, let us start our chapter. Students, we use many substances in our daily life. Some of them are shown below: curd, tamarind, baking soda, amla, vinegar, sugar solution, out of which curd, tamarind, amla and vinegar are sour in taste, whereas baking soda is bitter and sugar solution is sweet. Curd, tamarind, amla, vinegar, they all are having sour taste, means वो सभी खट्टे हैं. इनका जो sour taste है, that is due to a presence of a chemical known as acids. Yes, now acids, the substances that taste sour are called acids and their nature is acidic. सभी substances जिनका taste sour यानी खट्टा होता है, they are called acids and their nature is also acidic. The term acid comes from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. Acids are of two types: natural or organic acids, mineral or inorganic acids. Natural acids are mild in nature, whereas mineral acids are corrosive. They may attack substances or surfaces or may even burn our skin. Some examples of organic acids like citric acid, it is present in lemon and orange juice. Acetic acid, it is present in vinegar यानी सिरके में. Curd contains lactic acids. Amla has ascorbic acid. Some examples of inorganic acids are hydrochloric acid, its chemical formula is HCl. Nitric acid, chemical formula is HNO3. Phosphoric acid, its chemical formula is H3PO4. Sulfuric acid, its chemical formula is H2SO4. Uses of acids. Some acids are required by our body. Fruit juices like orange juice contains citric acid, which is required for our body. Hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach and help in digestion of food. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which is used as a food preservative. Food is pickled in vinegar. This prevents it from getting spoiled. Vinegar contains acetic acid और विनेगर यानी सिरका फूड प्रिजर्वेटिव के फॉर्म में यूज़ किया जाता है, जो फूड को काफ़ी लंबे टाइम तक ख़राब होने से बचाता है, यानी इसे पिकल्स में यूज़ किया जाता है. An acid called sulfuric acid is used in car batteries. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड कार की बैटरीज में यूज़ होता है. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज नोन एज द किंग ऑफ केमिकल्स बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स widespread use. Acids are used in many experiments. Yes, students, now we will read about bases. Bases are chemicals that are opposite to acids. Means acids are sour in taste but bases are bitter in taste. यानी bases जो हैं टेस्ट में कड़वे होते हैं. Substances that are bitter in taste and produce a soapy feeling are called bases. जो substances टेस्ट में bitter हैं यानी कड़वे हैं और जो फिंगर्स में अगर हम बेस को रब करते हैं, it gives soapy feeling, साबुन की तरह फील होता है. All bases cannot dissolve in water. Bases that can dissolve in water are called alkalis. जो bases वाटर में easily dissolve हो जाते हैं, they are known as alkalis. Yes, some examples of bases which we can see at our home also. Sodium hydroxide means caustic soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate means baking soda which is used in our kitchen. Calcium hydroxide means tuna. Some natural bases are here also. Bitter gourd, cucumber, green vegetables, all these substances also contains bases. Some commonly used bases which are used in labs. Sodium hydroxide, chemical formula is given NaOH. Potassium hydroxide, chemical formula is KOH. Magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2. Ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. Baking soda solution, NaHCO3. Calcium hydroxide, CaOS2. Yes students, now we will read about indicators. Most acids and bases are colorless liquids just like clear water. To find out the given solution is acid or base, we use special substances which are known as indicators. Yani a substance that changes color in acids and bases. Indicators show different colors in acids and bases. Some examples of indicators are turmeric, red cabbage, litmus, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, China rose petals, etc. Yes, first of all, we will talk about litmus. Litmus is a natural dye which is extracted from lichens. You have read about lichens in your lesson number 1. It is the most commonly used indicator. Blue litmus paper turns red in acids and remains blue in bases. If we take blue litmus paper or blue litmus liquid and when it is poured in acids, it turns red, whereas in bases it remains blue. Now red litmus paper turns blue in bases and remains red in acids. कि अगर रेड लिटमस पेपर को हम बेस में डालेंगे, it change its color to blue, and whereas in acids it remains as it is, means red color. Second indicator, China rose. China rose is another natural indicator. China rose indicator turns magenta dark pink in acidic solution, whereas it turns green in basic solutions. अगर चाइना रोज इंडिकेटर को एसिड सॉल्यूशन में यूज किया जाता है, it turns the solution in magenta, means dark pink color, and if it is used in basic solution, it turns the solution in green color as is shown in the picture given. Yes students, now I am going to show you an activity with China rose indicator. Here I have taken water in a pan, 4-5 petals of China rose, soap solution, lemon juice, then 2 glasses. Boil the petals in the pan for 2-3 minutes. Now the color of the water is get changed. It means our China rose indicator is ready. Now remove the petals from the water. Take this liquid, yani China rose indicator, in these 2 glasses. Now pour soap solution in 1 glass. Now the color get changed into green color. Now pour lemon juice in the another glass. Now we can see the color of the China rose indicator changes to green color. We mixed in this glass soap water soap water contains a base, sodium hydroxide. Due to that its color changes into green color as is shown in the picture. Now you can see in another glass we pour lemon juice. Due to that the color of China rose indicator change into magenta, means dark pink color. First glass is of green color and third one is of magenta pink color, and in between the two glasses there is original color of China rose indicator. Yes, third natural indicator is turmeric, means haldi. You have seen it in your kitchen. Turmeric is another natural indicator. टर्मरिक रिमेन्स येलो इन एसिड एंड न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशंस, यानी अगर एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में टर्मरिक को डाला जाए इट रिमेन्स with the same color, means yellow. Turmeric changes to red color in basic solutions. अगर सोप वाटर में या इसे कास्टिक सोडा के सॉल्यूशन में डाला जाए it turns to red color. We will prove this by doing this activity. In this activity I have taken turmeric powder, vinegar which contains an acid, detergent powder or soap solution. Now we will make solution of turmeric powder, or we can take turmeric as a powder also. Make its solution. Pour this solution in acid. There is no color change, it means it is an acid, as we have taken already vinegar. Now we will pour turmeric in soap solution. Its color will change into red. It proves that it contains a base and no color change in acid. It proves that turmeric do not change its color in acids. Yes students, today we have read about acids, bases and indicators. Watch the video carefully and read your chapter 2 or 3 times. Thank you.